Hello and welcome back to our channel where we speak all about future and its analysis, technical analysis. In this video, actually, I will be reviewing the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, the famous Bitcoin, because I hold quite a bit of Bitcoin right now, and I'm just looking to see if I should exit or if I should hold it, if I should, just let it ride for now and basically go from there. So I will do the analysis. I will share with you and I will figure out at what point I want to sell it, at what point I want to buy more. Okay, so let's start with sharing the screen. First thing first, and basically you can see that we had already some analysis on it. Okay, but I will redo the analysis right now. Okay, so I really like the movement of Bitcoin in terms of liquidity and volume. Has very large moves overall. Okay, so let's start by basically cleaning the chart overall. Okay, because this is no need. This one I want to keep. This one, I don't know what the heck is that. It's way lower. We'll remove that too. 50% Fibonacci, we'll remove it too. Okay, this trend line we can hold. Okay, we can hold the trend line. So let's see. I believe we have only 4 drawings, 3 indicators. 3 indicators is the moving averages, the daily moving averages, the VWAP that we have right here. Okay, and basically, the RSI, which we are watching more or less. Okay, so this is the RSI that we are having. Okay. Now, let's start seeing what we are having from number one all-time high. We have this here. Okay, so we have this here, all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. Okay. Then what we want to do, we want to see the trend line that we're having here. Okay, so we're having that trend line, that or that. Okay, so I will keep that trend line. Okay, we'll keep that trend line because we can see stronger respect at those levels. Okay, stronger respect at those levels. We want to see what will happen right after that. Let me just see something. We can see quite a bit of buy pressure, wicks of the buy right here on those candles. So I actually will hold. This morning, when I woke up, it was around here with the red body. So I thought, okay, maybe I should sell it because it will make a pivot lower, at least to the key level, which that's quite a bit of $3,000 move. So let's see what we are looking to do. Okay, so let's see if we have any supply and demand at the top here. We have this weekly. I don't like this week. So let me see. This few months already consolidating very strongly here. Let me see. Weekly. I like this weekly, but not this continuation. So let's see the daily. No. There is this daily, but again, no good for us. No, it's used. This one, no good candle. Opa, right there. Right there, we have 12 hours. Okay. No, 6 hours. It's 6 hours. Very, very good setup. By all-time high, no. Very good setup. So meaning very good zone. Sorry. Let me see if we have 4 hours. No, no 4 hours. Let me see if we have 3 hours. No. Let me see. We have this one, but the wick is on the bottom, so that's 2 hours. Let me see one moment. I will just mark that. Okay, 2 hours. Obviously, I understand that. 3 hours. Let's see. No, nothing. 4 hours. Let's see. Nothing. 1 hour. 1 hour is better for us. Yes. 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 Very good. So basically, as you can see, we are having here great 2 areas, right? One which will be 6 hours above the zone, and one that will be below the trend line, by the trend line. So basically, ideally, we want to exit here by the trend line, by the zone. Okay, figure out what happens there. This is ideally what we want to do, right? We actually also have here 90 minutes. So what we will do, okay, we will actually stretch that. We'll do it 90 minutes. We'll do 90 minutes, change that to that, and we'll do 1 hour. We'll put just the that 1 hour. Don't forget to put the, you know, the reason for that line. Otherwise, we forget when it's get there. Okay, so that's the 1 hour. Now, what I would try to do as well, let's see, only 45 minutes. We have also that in 45 minutes, but not good zone. Okay, there is some 45, but the better structure. We look at better structures. So we have that, no, nothing. By the way, if you have your plans, would love to see it, either to let you know what I think about it, or if it's good to go and you can trade it the way you actually did your plan. Feel free to do that. We also have a Discord. If you guys would like to communicate on the Discord, we definitely can arrange that. I actually do that with my mentor. Any setup that I do and take, I would message my mentor to ask him what he thinks. Is it good analysis, bad analysis? Did I miss something? And he gives me the critics of that. So very important. Okay. So we have those levels of support and resistance. Okay, let me remove those lines. We have this trend line. We have the support and resistance. Let's see if we have a trend line that is more recent on hourly base. On hourly base. Okay, we have this trend line that played out fair. Let's see if we have another trend line. That is playing for us. Let's see. We did not check that yet, but let's see here. So overall with this, it might work, but again, we don't know yet. Okay, so it's not that we will keep that. We will just hold it for a bit. What I want to do now, though, I want to see something here. I want to see a 50% Fibonacci from this top to this bottom, okay, and see what you can see, okay, and that's very, very important, okay, especially on the pullback. You can see that it broke above very aggressive. This would be a phenomenal entry. So it's something to keep in mind. I would keep that because you can see how it's came below, touched the 50%, came to that low. We can see the week of pressure buying. So I definitely would either enter here targeting the 50%, but then once it broke above, I will hold it, and basically on that retest, I even will add more, no problem. And you can see this amazing how it works. I didn't have that obviously before. You guys are seeing it right now with me on the platform, on the analysis. So right now, what I'm thinking to continue to hold to about 70,000, 69,000. 69,600. This is the area, more or less. I will hold to there, and then I will sell it, wait for it to come down, and see what's happening. Because overall, we have also level of support and resistance right there. So look here. If we put that level, okay, I will put here support and resistance by the level of 6 hours. Wow, that would be a fucking great entry for short. Okay, very nice. I honestly think most likely it will go to this area now. It would break in here somewhere, and most likely will go higher. But on this, it will be like, probably a large, fast move, because it will be in one day that we want to see it, break this trend line, touch this, and go back right away. So it's important to understand that, and most likely I will have a limit order to sell there. So that's great. Look how it's making these shorts right now. Very nice. Very nice. No trades for me today as of yet. I tried to do the trade of Tesla, which would be a phenomenal risk to reward, but I wasn't able to fulfill the trade, and didn't force trade as of yet. So just holding. What is that? To see. Okay, so this is my plan on Tesla overall, to make sure that I'm being as transparent about that. I'm basically thinking to hold. Okay, my plan is basically to hold it to about 71,000. At around 71,000 to 71,300, I'm looking to exit. Okay, so what I even will do right now, I will put here an alert, exit. Okay, and I will do the time frame 21, September 21. So I will hold that to here. So basically, once it comes to that area, I will want to look to exit. I want to see, once it's actually in this area, to see what the rejection level and everything. Okay, and then basically look to exit here. Yeah, so that's pretty much on Tesla. I mean, on Bitcoin. Okay, so let's continue watching what else we will be trading, and we'll go from there. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. We're here to share the wisdom that we gain from our mentor. We're here to really be transparent and be as supportive as possible. Also, for those that know or want to grow their business, I actually firstly look at this right now at trading completely as a business for myself. So I'm building that as a business. Now I actually build also a 8-figure company in the home improvement and other companies that I consulted with and advised to. So if you have a business or you know of somebody that would like some help with their business, we'll be happy to talk to them and figure out if we have great harmony, great understanding. I will be more than happy to figure out a way that we can work something that is beneficial to both. I will not charge them anything unless there is an upside from the advice that I'm providing them to grow their company. Based on the mentorship that I got from Bob Proctor, based on my experience and knowledge that I grow my company from basically a scratch to 8 figures within 2 years. And that's what I'm looking to do right now also with trading. So with trading, you have a lot more time unless you are constantly learning more and doing basically more analysis. But I have quite a bit of time to focus on other things. So if somebody that you know that can benefit from that, or yourself, will be happy to speak to you or to them. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.